tired of your browser not doing exactly what you need? Let's build a custom Chrome extension and fix that. In the next minute and a half, I'm going to walk you through the fundamentals of creating your very own Google Chrome extension. First, let's create a new folder for our extension, and inside this folder, we'll need a manifest file. Name it manifestion. This file is the blueprint of your extension at minimum. Include the extension's name, version, and manifest version. Next, we'll build a pop-up, and the file should be named Popup. This is what will appear when you click on your extension icon. Add some basic HTML, maybe a button or some text to make it look better. Let's add pop-ups. Here you can style the pop-up with colors, fonts, and layout if you want interactivity. Create a script named Scripts. This is where the magic happens. You can add JavaScript to respond to events, like clicking that button. Now, let's add the action to the manifest file, and specify the default pop-up to Popup. Time to load your extension. In Chrome, go to Chrome Extensions and turn on Developer Mode, then click Load, Unpacked, and select your extension folder. You should now see your extension icon in the toolbar. Click it, and your pop-up should appear. If you need your extension to interact with web pages or run in the background, you'll want to explore content scripts and background scripts. These are more advanced, but they open up a whole new world of possibilities. Finally, to share your extension, you can package it and upload it to the Chrome Web Store. And that's it. You've built your first Chrome extension. Now go create something amazing.